So I've cut up some potatoes, my steak, and I've got some onions, and I've seasoned it with some salt, paprika, some pepper, Nando's berry salt, olive oil, and ground cumin. And you put the olive oil in just so it doesn't get too dry inside, and then it's your seasoning of your choice. And once we've got this, we're going to add it onto the foil. And when you're wrapping, you want to be quite careful. It's really tight, and you're probably going to want to double layer it just because it's on the fire. Got some birch bark underneath. I've got some nice kindling on top, and I've got this wood here to just let the oxygen flow through. And I'm just going to find a nice spot to light the birch bark with. Just put my lighter under there. And eventually, it should spark up a light. And just try and get as many pieces of light as you can. There we go. So in about 15 minutes, I'm going to separate the coals from the actual fire itself, whack on the foil with the steak and potatoes, and then we're going to, see how it goes. Time to get the coals out. These are good stuff. I'm gonna get as many as you can right into the middle. Right, for the moment of truth. There we go. 6 minutes on each side, and then we'll take it out and have a look. If you listen out carefully, you can hear it bubbling inside. I don't know if that should be happening, because I've not done it before, but we'll see how it goes. So it's been about 6 minutes on the first side, and I'm just going to flip it over. Oh, there we go. And I'll give you an update once we've taken it out. Taken it off the coals, and look at this. That is absolute perfection. You can't even deny it. You wish you were eating this. Unless you're vegetarian or vegan. Sorry to the cousins. Alright, first bite. Oh my god. Boy hot, but boy amazing.
But my tongue. We'll try potato. I wonder. The potatoes probably could have done with another, 10 minutes, but then you have to compromise a steak, and you don't want to compromise a steak. Come on, lads. I'm absolutely devouring this. I found out that I need to cut the potatoes a little bit smaller because the thick ones, they're still a bit chewy. You want them quite soft. The steak is done to perfection, and the onions are great, honestly. Put all the hard work in. I've got my dinner, and it starts raining. So the fire's basically out now, and I'm just gonna put some water on it, making sure no forest fires today. And I've absolutely demolished this. Clean plate, clean foil. I'm definitely doing this again. I could eat another one right now. Right, it is now completely pissing it down, which is wonderful. And yeah, that's today's vid over. Steak, chips, it's not chips, steak, potatoes and onions on the fire in a foil. Honestly, that's probably the best dinner I've done on a campfire, and I've got a lot of experience behind me. Yeah, so I'm going to end it there, and hope you enjoyed.